This is how to save yourself hundreds of pounds and service your own car on the driveway in under 1 hour. Let's get to it. So you're going to need oil filter, an air filter, fuel filter and a pollen filter. Before you do anything, you need to warm the car up. Once you've let the car warm up, you can turn it off and get it jacked up. Safety first. So once you've got the car jacked up, you want to get underneath and locate the oil drain bolt. Mine's just under here. My drain bolt looks like a 17mm. Correct. Crack it off. Get your drain bucket underneath and just unthread it. Ah, no. So once you've got the oil drained and you've wiped it all off your face, you can start changing the filters. I'm going to start with the oil filter, which is here. So the first filter you want to do is the oil filter. That's because it will just help drain any oil out that's stuck in the oil filter housing. So once the oil filter's off, you can pull the filter out, bin it, take off the old O-ring, bin that as well. Put on the new oil filter, check it's not directional, this one isn't. And then just put on your new O-ring. So to do this, I'm just using a little seal pick. You can also use a flathead screwdriver, just be careful not to mark it. And that's one oil filter changed. Get it back in the car. So next I'm doing the air filter, which is probably the easiest filter to do. Just undo a few clips. Then it's just in with a new one. Air filter, done. So once you're happy all the old oil's drained out the car, you want to get your drain plug, take the old washer off and put a brand new one on. Not forgetting to do this little cover back up. Then you can get the old oil out of the way and get the new oil in. My car takes about 7 litres, so I'm just going to dump 5 litres straight in and then keep topping up with the other bottle. So we're not far off done, but before I can jack the car down and check the oil level, I've got to do the fuel filter first. So once the fuel filter's done, you can get the car back on the ground. Once the car's back on the ground, you want to start it up again, just so the oil circulates and you can get a proper reading on the dipstick. So I need to add a bit more oil. Perfect. Finally, I've just got the pollen filter to do. Once you've actually serviced the car, you're going to want to clear the service light. Because mine's an old car, it's pretty easy to do. So you just turn the ignition on without starting the car. Hold this little button on the clocks until you get an orange triangle come up. Then once that's on, you can cycle through all the service options. Mine's engine oil that needs resetting. Hold the BC button down and it should reset. And that is how to service your car in under 1 hour. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below if you managed to service your car on your own, and I'll see you in the next one.